Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alex. Happy birthday to you.
I hate you guys.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Make
It's
a
your
wish and blow up the
birthday.
candle. You get a chocolate chip muffin for breakfast today?
Yeah.
I want not go to school today.
We can arrange that. Yeah.
All right, now you have to come out to the living room.
It says remove this thing. You go slow and don't point it at it. Or me. But just like up.
Okay, Alex. You can come out now.
Right there. It's hard. No, don't do it. You don't want that to. It's hard.
What did you move?
The silver tape. Did you take it off?
Yeah.
Now you just gotta grip and twist.
Okay.
Grip it. You got it, babe. There you go.
Oh.
They're gonna think they're getting shot. Someone's getting shot.
Sorry, everyone.
Look, nothing can.
Yay! How are you gonna pick this up?
Broom. I'll sweep it up. I'll sweep it up right after you open your gifts.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cause it is a myth. Hey, these are cool.
Okay, now you can open your gifts. You can open whichever one first.
Coming over.
Oh, box. Wait, keep going.
I want to see how it looks. Not just is oh. It's wireless.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, who is it from? Me.
Yeah, I think you're gonna open hers first. Wait. Yeah. Well, these two are mine. And this one's yours.
Open it. I like it because it says jewelry on it. What? Me?
Would've been weird.
Well, the other one fell off of us too, honey.
So shiny.
Okay, keep going. Here, open this one. This sounds other one before you open that big one.
Oh, this is just like to fix it.
Yeah. To like adjust it.
Oh.
That,
That's what she said.
Yeah. You don't want to bend it because it's a picture.
Ooh.
That's why like it came all with the, in there like that all wild.
Okay.
It was supposed to be a little. I thought it was going to be a little bigger. You put the picture on the floor, Alex.
Oh.
It's supposed to be. I thought it was going to be a poster.
Yay!
No, look. I thought it was going to be like a poster size. I didn't read the description.
Yeah, she thought it was
I didn't
gonna be
read
like-
the description.
Like your Rick and Morty
Yeah.
poster.
But
She thought it
it's-
was gonna be like that.
Yeah, and instead
Why
it's
is
a
this
small
so sticky?
picture. Because it's a picture. It's an actual picture.
Yeah.
It's not a poster material. It's the actual picture. So you gotta open the picture. We got picture frame. You can put it in there. Shoot, might as well.
Where do I put this?
I think just back in that bag thing.
Yeah, slide it in there.
Because you're gonna hang it up today anyways.
Yeah.
How big is it?
have to read the box because I didn't build it yet, obviously. This, right here.
Guitarist.
So it's for both of your guitars, so you can stand them up like that.
Oh, like that, really?
So
That's
if you guys have time, maybe you guys can build it today. If
Yeah,
not, we
I'll-
can build it this weekend.
We'll see what kind of screwdriver size Heather has down there. Because if anything, yeah, we just have to go to, we could go to
Yeah,
my
it's gonna be
mom's.
nice. I made sure it was for 2 guitars.
If it's windy out there right now, babe, so just be careful when you get to work. Get to work. Do you need me to cook you something? You want some coffee?
Oh yeah. No.
Oh,
I have some.
Oh, okay.
and you just.
Oh, little buff.
I don't know how that happened.
Yeah.
Anyways, that's it. Now you get to play with the balloons all day.
Yay!
Just be careful because Grandpa's candle is lit over there. We can blow it out for a little bit if you want to just throw them around. That's fine, but
Yeah.